let's open up some packages. Starting with what I know is going to be my favorite. Kobe, you want to come help me open these?
Yes.
I think she heard me from across the house. All right, get up here, girly. Hold on, hold on. We're doing this one first.
Yeah.
Okay? I think there might be... She just got done with dance class. That's why she's all fancy. This one is from Morse Code Boutique. Ooh, ooh, ooh. She told me what she was sending. I'm going to leave this in the wrapper because it's for my sister. It says Caitlin's right on it. It's that Santa sweatshirt that I have and absolutely love. So sweet. She sent one for my sister so we can match on Christmas. Okay, Kobe, you want to open up this one?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
What the heck?
That is so cute. Okay, this one's for me. And oh my gosh, you got all of my girl sizes right. This one's for you, Koba.
Yay!
And then Brielle can match us. That is so cute and fun. Thank you so much, Jana. That was so sweet of her. No idea what I ordered in here. Oh, yes, I do. Oh, yes, I ordered these from Morse Code Boutique, too. Okay, I don't think the girls' teacher or the kids' teacher watches our TikTok, but this one says, I teach the smartest cookies. I thought that was so cute to get her for Christmas. And what is this one? Oh, I've been waiting for this one. It says, Holiday Hoobie Woody. It's the Grinch. Oh, for fun. All right.
What is this?
I don't know. Oh, this is another one I ordered from Morse Code Boutique. Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh. Stop. Pajamas. And then these are the bottoms. You like my pajamas? Koba, show Dad the shirts.
Oh,
They're
those
matching.
are adorable.
Aren't they? So we get to match.
They didn't send one for me?
No, sorry. I will message her and tell her that
I
she
want a
missed
pink
a
one
couple.
too.
You want a pink one too?
Mine too.
Okay.
I want a match.
Jana, you heard him. Okay. What is this? What is this?
Yeah, just what's off.
I don't know. Okay, don't look. Just think, I have no idea what this is. Oh, yeah, you can't see this. I'll have to show them this in a little bit. Let me check this one too before you see what's in it. It's just a rough time of year, honey.
Can you make me a milkshake, please?
Oh, who said anything about milkshake?
Me!
What the heck?
It's a Christmas present for my hubby.
Can I look?
You already knew I ordered that.
No, I didn't.
I told you that I ordered a thing off your list.
You know what that means.
Okay, that's all for packages. Well, that was a good time. Okay, now Kova and Theron, you gotta leave the room so I can show them what is in this. It's these that I've been seeing all over TikTok. Are you done yet? I'm trying to record a video here. Have you seen these on TikTok?
What does that look?
I don't know. I'm trying to record a video.
I figured you'd take a break.
I don't, it's like some sort of game. Like I think it needs batteries. Now I kind of want one of these. Like it looks like a good time. Doesn't it? Did you want one too, honey?
No. Did you
Leave that
bring
up?
this up from downstairs in here?
There's one deep
Downstairs?
freeze. I can bring it back.
Are you actually gonna? Are you gonna let her melt?
Probably let it melt.
Okay. Better.
No, I'm still recording.
When she comes.
Anyway, that was fun. All right, there she goes. In a minute. All right, that's the end of the video.
Good.
It's eggnog.
That's why I gave you a samples because I knew you wouldn't like it. I was nice. I included you and I gave you a small one.
Can I please have a drink?
It's good.
It's terrible. You didn't even give anything to wash it down with. I'm gonna get you back.
I was nice.
I'm nice too.
Okay, well, last time I ever make you a milkshake.
Last time I ever drink your milkshake.